how to add links to your YouTube channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to add social media links or links to any website that you want to onto your YouTube channel. So this will not only add them to the homepage of your channel, but also if you add any social media links, those will be available at the bottom of the descriptions on all the videos you post. And if this video helps you, please consider giving it a like and also subscribe to my channel because that really helps me out. So it's really easy to do this. All we need to do is simply navigate to youtube.com and log into our account, then select your profile icon on the top right and select YouTube Studio. This will bring you to the YouTube Studio. And from here, you just need to go into the left menu, select customization, and make sure you're on the profile tab, and then scroll down, and under your channel URL, you'll see links. So all you need to do is select add link. Then you need to enter the URL that you want to add and then a title. So as you can see here, I have a test Instagram profile. I added the URL over here, and then I put follow me on Instagram, and that text is visible in the descriptions of all my videos. So you just want to go through there, add different links. If you add multiple links, you can change the order of them by simply moving them over here. And you can also delete links right here by selecting the delete button. Once you've added any links, to save it, go up to the top right, select publish, and then those links will now be visible on your YouTube channel by selecting under your more channel section, and they'll show up right there. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up, and please consider subscribing to my channel.